आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। अच्छा आजकल तेरे मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर ज़बान पर, सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई।
think we need to catch our breath. While you catch your breath for a couple of minutes, we will rearrange this. This song, I think, reaches out to a large number of people who were in India at that point of time. I hope you enjoyed it. This afternoon is a special afternoon. It's a special afternoon because for the first time, I think, we have so many students from so many countries. I think absolutely, absolutely happy to be here. I know that a lot of Indian students came up and said, why not us? Why wasn't this in a bigger auditorium? But this is the original campus. And I think there's a special feeling when we conduct programs at this small but intimate auditorium. It's also the campus where the International Student Council conducts its affairs. Good afternoon. I would request the distinguished guests to please come on the stage.
हेलो सर अनिल कहाँ पाटिल सर आपने हमें यहाँ खड़ा किया फिर भी हमने देख सकते
If I may dare say so, sir, this hall may be smaller, but the welcome you have received is as loud as the one that you got this morning. Good afternoon. Distinguished guests on the dais, His Excellency Mr. Hamid Karzai, GCMG, Honorable President of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, His Excellency Zarar Ahmad Osmani, Foreign Minister Designate, His Excellency Mr. Leonpo Rinjin Dorje, Foreign Minister of Bhutan, Mr. Pedro Conceição Couto, Vice Minister of Finance, Mozambique, His Excellency Dr. Joseph Butore, Minister of Education and Scientific Research, Burundi, His Excellency Dr. Rangan Dadfar Spanta, National Security Advisor, Afghanistan, Dr. S.P. Muzumdar, Chancellor, Symbiosis International University, His Excellency Shaida Mohammad Abdali, Ambassador of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan to India, His Excellency Amar Sinha, Indian Ambassador to Afghanistan, Dr. Vidya Yerodekar, Executive Director, Symbiosis Center for International Education, and Principal Director, Symbiosis. Welcome to this very, very special session. I'm Anita Patankar, Director of the School for Liberal Arts, and I'm extremely happy to be your compere for this afternoon's extremely momentous interaction. Let us begin this afternoon's program with a welcome by our Chancellor, Dr. S.P. Muzumdar.
His Excellency is Hamid Karzai, President of Afghanistan, distinguished dignitaries on the dais, invitees, and my international brothers and sisters. Sir, today and yesterday, we were discussing a serious problem of international relations. Diplomats, scholars, policymakers submitted papers and discussed various issues on international relations. Today's get-together, sir, is a little relief for all of us. It is a lighter relief for students and all of us. My dear friends, very often I ask a question to myself, why foreign students should come to India? Why should they not go to other countries like Pakistan or similar such countries. And having selected India, why should they come to Pune? And to answer all these questions, I have a small poem which I penned soon after the establishment of Symbiosis. Allow me to read this poem, Your Excellency. My dear international brothers and sisters, welcome to India. Welcome to Symbiosis. You are in a country where no one is a foreigner, where all human races for ages are living together. You are in a country where teacher, mother, father are gods. And do you know where you, the guest, too, are regarded as the god? You are in a country where women are worshipped and not only merely loved, where nothing shines like the shyness of a woman. You are in a country where poverty and nobility live together, where poor great are more remembered than kings and monarchs, where sacred stones are costlier and greater than the costliest diamonds. You are in a country where right is might, humility is not weakness, and where the knowledge is power. You are in a country where saints have noble past, but sinners have nobler future. Into this country, my international brothers and sisters, may your stay become happier and your mind nobler and broader. These are the reasons why foreign students should come to study India, and they should come to study in Pune, because Pune, sir, is the home, away from home, for all these foreign sisters and brothers. We are extremely proud of international students studying in Pune. And let me also tell you that Pune is the favored destination of foreign students. Out of 40,000 foreign students studying in India, as many as 18,000 foreign students are studying in Pune. And out of 18,000 students, 3,000 students from 85 countries are studying here. Your Excellency, for Symbiosis, whether foreign students studies in Symbiosis or Ferguson or SP or Wadia or for that matter any other college, is a material. Because to every foreign student, Symbiosis is his home, away from home. Sir, as a teacher, I realize how difficult it must be for young children studying undergraduate classes to adjust with different climate, different culture. And therefore we thought that Symbiosis should be there to help them. I am proud to say, sir, that Symbiosis is perhaps the only organization in the country which was established only for the welfare of foreign students, to solve their problems, to acquaint them with Indian cultures. And therefore, to all foreign students, Symbiosis is a friend in need. Well, sir, these foreign students have just now shown their cultural programs. International relations can be established through education, through study of science, literature, liberal arts, and so on. But true international relations can also be achieved through cultural programs which were shown by our students. we in Symbiosis believe that Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is the true concept. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam translated means world is one family. Oh, and how can the world will be one family? Udara Charitanam to Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means, sir, this person with nobler mind, generous character, regards the whole universe as one family. And this is our motto, this is our dream. And I am sure with these young, bubbling minds sitting here, it will not be difficult for us to one day realize that dream. With these few words, I welcome Your Excellency again to Symbiosis and all the dignitaries sitting on the dais. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Since 1971, we have worked hard at making this place a home away from home for our international students. The International Student Council works hand in hand with the Center for International Education towards this end. I now invite Mr. Motasim from Palestine to welcome our guests on behalf of the International Student Council.
Honored and respected dignitaries present here on this auspicious day. His Excellency Mr. Hamid Karzai, the President of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan, unmentioned but distinctive personalities witnessing this historical day. I warmly welcome you to the Oxford of the East, the multicultural city of Pune. I welcome you to Symbiosis, the pride of Pune, and where the world is one family with a single father, the founder, a president, and the chancellor. The founder, the president, and the chancellor of Symbiosis International University, Bad Mabushan, Dr. S.P. Mujumdar. The podium of this auditorium is where students from different countries revive and exchange their rich traditions and cultures. But on this special event, this stage will be turned into a presidential palace, wherein His Excellency, the President of Afghanistan, will illuminate it with his great personality, a true symbol of power and faith. Many of us present here today are from different countries, are from different regions and corners of the world. But we are bound together with only one thread, with a common goal and a common search